Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a metallic outline text using stroke. Start by typing your text in bold font, opening blending option and reduce fill to 0%. Now select stroke and change the color to metallic gradient silver or gold. Click the gradient bar to edit the tones and add lights and dark shades. Set the stroke position to outside. Increase the size to around 8 to 12 px for visibility. Now add a bevel and emboss effect for metallic shine, and also adjust the angle and depth for our realistic highlights. Now apply a drop shadow with low distance and high opacity. This gives it a soft metallic